If you're not booking, it's rarely your voice. You're probably making one of these mistakes. And how do I know this? I'm Jesse Carroll. I'm a professional voice actor and coach. I've done over 2,000 voiceover jobs. I've made over $1 million in voiceover, and I am the founder of VoiceOver School, where we have 256 killers in there, booking their first job, going full-time, and yes, now even earning over 6 figures in their very first year. You're not booking right now. Some people want to blame it on their voice. Some people want to blame it on pay-to-play auditions. Some people want to blame it on being oversaturated. But the brutal truth is, here is the real reason people aren't booking as much as they want to. Your reads sound safe. You sound too polite. You're trying to get it right. You're not putting your own personality into it. And you're thinking, what does the client want? What does the client want? What are they going to choose? No, stop doing that. You're playing it way too safe. You got to make a decision. You got to be bold. You got to stand out. When I say you're being too safe, here's what safe sounds like, okay? Safe sounds like you're reading every word the same. You're hitting them all evenly. You're being over articulate. You're reading instead of reacting. You aren't running those words through your brain. You're just reading them taking them as face value. You're following the punctuation. You're trying to sound like every other voice actor trying to get it right, which is the fastest way to disappear. So stop playing defense. Get aggressive. Make a choice. Your opinion on the script matters. Throw in a little messy. Who cares if you make a mistake? Be human. See how I just tripped over that word? Hopefully Parush leaves that in. And if you don't know who Parush is, he's my editor. It's fucking fantastic. Here's what the clients really want. You always try to figure out, what do they want? I'll tell you what they want. They want you to put on your big boy or girl pants, make a decision, and show them what you're gonna do. You know, there's an excellent actor out there who coaches as well, an on-screen actor named Michael Kostroff. And he wrote a book called, I think it's called Auditioning 101. I think that's it. Anyway, I took a workshop with him when he came through Vancouver one time, and he talked about auditioning being like a carpet salesman, right? When you have, let's say, a traveling carpet salesman, you're going to see a bunch of them because you want to buy a carpet, and they're going to come in. I'm totally butchering this, by the way. And they're going to show you the carpets that they have. They're not going to ask you, well, you know, what kind of carpet are you looking for, and try and like fill out all your wildest dreams and try to do exactly what you're looking for. They're professional carpet salesmen. They make these carpets with their soul and their heart, and they're going to show you their wares of what they do. And if you're not buying the carpet, cool. They'll sell to somebody else another day. So basically what I'm saying is, think about it like this. Michael Kostroff says, it's a chance to act on a Wednesday. Of course, you're going to do voiceover every single day, but think of it as just another chance to act, okay? So don't try to think, what do they want, and give them that. What do you want to do with it? Don't go rogue. Like, stay along the lines of what they say they're looking for. You'll see it in the breakdown, but put your own spin on it. What can you do with the direction they gave in a way that's unique to you? And if you do that, if you realize, I'm just a carpet salesman, here's my carpets, I don't really give a shit if you buy, this is what I do, and you realize it's just another chance to act on a Wednesday, and you stop putting so much effort into getting it right, which is the opposite of what you should be doing, and showing them the thing that you do that makes you unique and makes you, you're gonna book way more. And in the age of AI, you need to stand out. You gotta throw your personality in, because AI can do basic shit reads. So if you're doing basic shit, safe reads, you need to throw your personality into it. You gotta become more unique, and you really gotta get a little messy. And if you want help developing your voiceover personality, getting bold, getting dangerous, getting a little messy, check out VoiceOver School. The link's below.